Are you looking for metalworking project ideas that can make you money fast? Or are you looking for metal project ideas to transform your living spaces? In that case, you have come to the right place. Watch this video until the end to see several metalworking project ideas you can make money off of by making similar products and selling them online or locally. You can make thousands with these stylish metal furniture and metal decor pieces ideas. Incorporating trending metal furniture into your home decor offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. From durability and versatility to sustainability and personalization, metal furniture enhances both the functionality and style of living spaces. As trends continue to evolve, metal furniture remains a timeless and relevant choice for homeowners seeking to create beautiful, practical, and environmentally conscious interiors. Whether you are redecorating an existing space or starting from scratch, consider the advantages of metal furniture. Embrace the opportunity to explore different styles, finishes, and designs that resonate with your personal taste. With its blend of practicality and elegance, metal furniture can transform your home into a stylish sanctuary that reflects your unique identity and lifestyle. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish metalworking projects ideas you can copy to make money. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As you embark on your journey to enhance your home decor, remember that the right furniture can make all the difference. Trending metal pieces can serve as the foundation for a cohesive and inviting living space, providing both comfort and visual appeal. Embrace this versatile material and watch as your home transforms into a haven of style and functionality. The aesthetic appeal of metal furniture can positively impact the mood of a space. Well-designed, stylish furniture contributes to a pleasant atmosphere, making your home a more enjoyable place to spend time. A beautifully arranged living space can elevate your overall sense of well-being. Choosing and arranging metal furniture can provide a sense of accomplishment. Successfully creating a cohesive and stylish decor scheme can boost confidence and satisfaction in your home environment. One method of creating metalworking projects is by using metal legs on tops made from other materials such as wood, ceramic, plastic, etc. For instance, metal table legs offer a blend of durability, versatility, and style, making them an excellent choice for a wide range of table designs. With careful consideration, you can choose the perfect metal legs to create a unique and functional table that will last for years to come. When selecting metal table legs, consider factors such as the following. Table style: choose legs that complement the overall design of your table. Material: consider the weight, durability, and aesthetic appeal of different metals. Finish: choose a finish that matches your desired style and complements the tabletop. Height: select legs that provide the desired table height for comfort and functionality. Weight capacity: ensure the legs can support the weight of the tabletop and any items placed on it. Metal fabrication is a dynamic and essential field, shaping the world around us through its ability to transform raw materials into functional and aesthetically pleasing products. From the earliest civilizations to the cutting-edge technologies of today, metal fabrication has played a vital role in human progress. As technology continues to advance, metal fabrication will continue to evolve, shaping the future of our world with its versatility, durability, and endless possibilities. As the global community becomes increasingly aware of the pressing environmental and social issues facing the world, the furniture industry has also felt the impact of this shift in consciousness. Contemporary furniture designers have responded by placing a greater emphasis on sustainability and social responsibility, seeking to create products that not only meet the aesthetic and functional needs of their customers but also contribute to a more sustainable and ethical future. This commitment to sustainability is manifested in various ways, from the use of eco-friendly materials to the implementation of responsible manufacturing practices that prioritize waste reduction, energy efficiency, and fair labor conditions. Designers are also exploring innovative circular design strategies, such as modular, disassemblable, and recyclable furniture, to extend the lifespan of their products and minimize their environmental impact. The world of contemporary furniture design is a dynamic, constantly evolving landscape, where form, function, and responsibility converge to create objects that are not just beautiful, but also purposeful and transformative. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the furniture we surround ourselves with will play an increasingly vital role in shaping our lived experiences, reflecting our values, and inspiring us to create a more sustainable and fulfilling future. However, metal furniture also has its limitations. While metal is resistant to moisture and temperature changes, it can be prone to rust and corrosion if not properly treated or maintained. Additionally, metal furniture can be cold to the touch and may lack the warmth and character of natural wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish metalworking projects ideas you can copy to make money. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.